Hey guys, good morning, good evening, wherever you are. Just a very quick watch list review today and having a look at the stocks that I'm in and the stocks that I'm looking at. Currently in buyer in at $2.64. It's had this big run up and a gradual pullback back to what I hope is support around the 264 mark, or should I say 275 mark. Hopefully that won't go any lower and it'll respect the moving average of the 20 and start making its way upwards. Long way to go on this one, but it's looking kind of all right. I don't really want to close out trades at 25%, even though there's nothing to laugh about. 25% is quite good. I'm hoping it will come back. If not, I'll be out, but I'll be very surprised if it doesn't, because it's had this big run up and where I got in looks like a pretty good line of support. So let's see where that takes us. ERAS, ERAS was the trade of the month, which unfortunately I made a terrible mistake and got stopped out right at the top of that candle. It was a 100% trade, which I thought was quite good at the time, and then I've slowly sat and watched as I was expecting it to come down, but lo and behold, what was a 100% trade should have been a 243% win, but I blew it because in my keenness to take my 100% profit, I found that small caps 100% profit trades are generally pretty good, but this one has just absolutely ripped. So I bought it way back in 8th of December. No, that was when I noticed the 8th of December, and I got in on the 18th at 361, and it just absolutely blew up. And so that was something that we spoke about way back then, and just look at it, incredible. POCI, POCI has jumped yet again. I'm waiting for the pullback on this one, but there has been no pullback, just that sort of bull flag there, and bang, she's off. So hopefully it will come back down. HG, I really like. I'm looking for a little bit of a pullback on this one. That's looking really nice. AVBH, I'm pleased to see this one coming back down a little bit. JOB has had a big retrace, and I'm very happy about that also. I would like to see a few green candles coming in here now, and I might get into JOB. INNV has just kind of popped and not really done anything yesterday, so no buyers and sellers, or an equal amount of buyers and sellers. They're keeping the price propped up at 765, which I like. I love this stock. This is going to be a good one, I think, if I can get it on a retracement. KLXE is the one I got stopped out on. It just had this initial pop, and inevitably it's going to go flying higher at some point, just not right now. So my timing was a bit off there. That's just a 10% movement that knocked me out, but look like it's found support just below my stop, and that will inevitably pop higher. I've left it in watching because I quite like the look of it still, and I think it's going to go. Great to see Toyo on a pullback. Please come down further, Toyo. There's had this big explosion of volume on Toyo, which I really like, dropping on smaller volume. Toyo looks like a good one. I would like to see another red candle, and then I will be getting in as long as it stays above that $7.14. And ZNTL, ginormous explosion in price, ginormous explosion in volume, usually trading at around 300,000 shares, and then 9 million, and then 12 million. A gentle pullback on smaller volume. This is still a goer, I think, ZNTL. We will watch it calmly and patiently and see what happens. So that's the watch list wrap for today. Some absolute gems in there that are going to make a lot of money. So please subscribe here and like that video over there, and like this one too, why not? Awesome. Thank you so much for watching, and peace and love, and keep waiting for those breakouts.